Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Code Academy. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how to resolve one error which is related to this VS Code terminal. So before starting I will just show you what that error is. So this is my Angular application. If I have to run this application, the command for that is ngserve. So when I'm running this, so it is not working. So if I try the alternative method, which is npm start, so it is also not working. So basically this error is cannot be loaded because running scripts is disabled on this system. So whenever you come across this kind of issue, so first we need to check whether this Angular CLI and this node related stuff is perfectly installed or not. So in my case it was fully installed, there was no any doubt. So whenever I am running these commands, like I will just show you from the node command prompt, so everything is there. So if I mention ng version, so it is present and my node is also present, so there is no any issue in this. So the issue comes when I try to run through this VS Code terminal. So the solution for that is very simple. So what you need to do, so if you are on this Windows laptop, so you just have to type Ctrl+Shift+P, and from here you can type terminal. Okay, so once you type terminal, you will get multiple options. So since I have already previously searched for this, so that's why it is showing at the top. But you need to just after typing terminal, you will get a lot of options. From there you need to select this option, select default profile. So here once you select it, you will get multiple options such as command prompt, PowerShell, JavaScript debug terminal, Windows PowerShell. So here on the right hand side also, it is since it was using this PowerShell, it was not working. So here I will click command prompt. Okay, so now after selecting command prompt, if you just run this command, it will still not work because still you are in this PowerShell terminal. So you can, the terminals that you are not using, that you can remove. Here you will see plus icon. So here now the default one is CMD, right? So now if you try to run this command, which is npm start, and it should work perfectly fine. So now you can see it has executed my command properly, and this is how we can start working through our VS Code terminal for our convenience. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. I have made this video because generally whenever people try to launch their application for the first time, they usually face this issue. So I don't want you to waste this time. So that is why I have created this video. If you like it and if it has resolved the issue which you are facing, then make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.